Santa Claus, baby mom.
Did Santa come?
Santa Claus, mom.
Jillian, it looks to me like you have a stocking over there.
Oh.
Did Santa?
What color are those presents, Jillian?
Those weren't there before.
Those weren't there before.
Who do you think left those?
Candy.
Who do you think put stuff in there?
Santa.
Oh my gosh, what did you get?
Candy.
Is that a cookie?
Oh, it's candy.
What did you ask Santa for? Did you ask him for candy and cookies?
I love it.
Whoa,
What
lucky
is
girl.
it? Put it on the ground over here. What else is in there?
This one, and two, and three, and four.
What else, Jillian? There's more.
Oh.
Put them down. Oh my gosh, did Santa bring all that? He must have, because we didn't put that there. We didn't see that there last night either.
Santa Claus, candy canes.
Did you ask him for candy canes?
Mhm.
Did he listen to you? He knew.
One more. Oh, cute. Oh, cute.
Huh? What else is in there? Okay.
Is there
There's
more?
more in there, Jill.
Oh, what are those?
Those are candles.
Those some pretty beads?
And stockies. They're my favorite.
Oh, your favorite.
There's more.
There is?
Oh,
Bracelets. Very nice.
Ooh, pretty.
What's that? Ooh, more pretties.
it's this more.
There is? You better get way in there. Whoa.
The more stockies.
What color are those?
Wait, still favorite.
Oh, okay.
There's more.
Is there more? What color are those ones?
Oh, I got more.
Oh, there's more.
More candy.
Oh, that looks good.
It's that grapes. They're my favorite.
Grapes are your favorite? Is that what you said?
Oh, there's more candy.
Ooh,
There's more.
there's more. How much did he bring you? Did he bring you a lot? Is that everything?
There's more.
Is that it, Mom? Boy,
Ooh, you want me to open
they
those?
cleaned up. Woo.
Let me take the tag off.
Mhm.
Tell me to stop this now.